Still, wasting hours transcribing audio by hand? Not anymore. Today, I'll show you how to convert audio to text in seconds with HitPaw Edimakor. So stay tuned till the end and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. First things first, open up HitPaw Edimakor. If you haven't downloaded it yet, just click the link in the description below. Then hit New Project to get started. Click this button right here to import your audio file. Once it's in, drag it down to the timeline. Now, right-click on the audio clip and select Speech to Text. Wait a few seconds, and boom, the transcript is done. That's it. Your audio is now text. You can do the same thing with video files, just as fast, just as easy. Want to save the transcript? Click the export button. You can even pick your preferred format, like SRT, ASS, VT, or TXT. But here's the cool part. With just one more click, you can automatically translate your subtitles into any language you want. English, Spanish, Japanese, French, you name it. Perfect for global audiences or multilingual content creators. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. I'm happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.